Good morning mga boss! Ang mga Pilipino ay talagang likas na malikhain. Makikita rin natin ang bakas nito sa mga kagamitang naging bahagi na ng ating tahanan. Kamakailan lang ay inilunsad sa Makati ng Blims Fine Furniture ang kanilang exhibit na Design Elementals. Tampok ang mga makabagong disenyo ng mga furniture at iba pang kagamitang pantahanan.
Blims has actually been in the industry for over 38 years. And throughout that time, we've actually been collaborating with industry partners. For this particular exhibit, we partnered with the Philippine School of Interior Designers to come up with a motif to show the vitality and the versatility of our products. So, we've worked with Mr. G. Pambid, one of the well-known designers in the PSID.
We were able to come up with the 6 elements: fire, water, metal, wood, earth, and air.
Bukod sa mga makabagong disenyo ng interiors, nagpapakita rin ito ng iba't ibang interpretasyon ng mga elemento ng kalikasan na naaayon sa personalidad ng isang tao. Nagbibigay din ito ng moderno at kakaibang dating sa mga disenyo ng mga kagamitang pambahay na madalas nating nagagamit o nakikita. Dito ay mapapansin ang lawak ng kakayahan ng mga Pilipino na makabuo ng world-class interior designs na maipagmamalaki natin.
Yes, because of the variety of different pieces that we had, we actually wanted to really diversify the choices so that people will really have options on how to relate personalities and at the same time what they want, the colors, the materials, the textures, the finishes. It's basically the new arrivals of Blims, and if you actually go around, you will see that we have sofas. We have a lot of tables that actually merge together wood and stainless steel. And then we also have a lot of storage pieces. So actually everything here is either for a condo, if you're like a bachelor or single, but there are also pieces that are for larger residential units like family-owned spaces. So we have everything here.
Higit sa pagpapakita ng talentong Pilipino, layunin din ng nasabing exhibit na makatulong sa mga kababayan nating naapektuhan ng pananalasa ni Bagyong Yolanda sa Kabisayaan.
This event is actually in cooperation also with the Philippine National Red Cross. And part of the proceeds of the sales that we will gather from this exhibit will actually go to the Philippine National Red Cross for the calamity victims.
Tunay nga namang kahanga-hanga ang galing ng mga Pilipino. Hindi maipagkakailang malayo na rin ang narating ng bansa sa larangan ng interior designing. Hindi lang nito ipinapakita ang talento at husay ni Cruz, kundi maging ang kagandahang nasa kanyang puso, ang hangaring makatulong sa kanyang kapwa.
I would like to invite everybody to visit the Blims showroom today. We have a lot of products. We are the trendsetters in the industry, and what we always say is we define the lifestyle of everyone. So we want to turn your house into your own personalized home. And I think with our product lines, you will surely find something that you will like.
And this is going to be an exhibit known as Design Elementals in cooperation with designers from the Philippine School of Interior Design Alumni Association. We're open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Anjun Magnaye para sa Good Morning Boss.